Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to tell you my top 5 tips to grow your channel in 2020. So even though I only have just over 100 subscribers, I want to tell you what sped up the process from me having 60 subscribers to going to 100. Especially with this global pandemic now, I see it as a time of opportunity, as one has all this extra time on their hands and can do so much with a YouTube channel. So let's get started. Tip number 1, don't be scared to rebrand your channel. Because I have a full-time job, I was unable to travel 24/7, so I could not make as many videos as I would like. So I decided to rebrand my channel, and I then changed it to be my name so that I would have more vlogs about my daily life, tutorials on YouTube or anything that I would like to share, and also food recipes. It also still includes travel. And it seems to be working like a charm because I'm quite passionate about cooking and trying out new vegan recipes and sharing that. Tip number 2, do your research. Find similar channels to yours, and a great tool to help you with this is Social Blade.
Social Blade still has my old channel art, but we'll get back to that later on. So I love the analytical information that they show on here. So apart from just your number of views and subscribers, there's a lot more data on here that you can utilize. It even shows you your future projections, and from these stats you can see that I will only get to 1,000 subscribers after 5 years. So I'm really hoping to change that. Check out similar channels to yours and see what you can do to improve in your own videos. Another great YouTuber that I subscribe to is The Content Bug. If you don't know her, where have you been? Check out her channel for amazing tips as well.
We all know that data is the new currency of the world, so information can help you grow your channel. Before I get on to tip number 3, let's go get some juice. Tip number 3, Keyword Explorer. Before you choose a title for your video, first check how many times it has been searched or how popular it is. A great tool to help you with this is TubeBuddy.
So TubeBuddy is an extension that I have in Safari, and I love using the Keyword Explorer when getting a title for my video. For example, this one, I said how to grow your channel, and when I clicked Explore, it's not a bad search volume. The overall score was only 25, but if I just add in 2020, as you can see, the overall score jumps and the search volume also increased. But if you look to the right, there's also other searches that they provide to you. So if I click on one of those, wow, look at that score, and also look at the search volume. So it's all about using the language that your audience is using to search.
Tip number 4, organize your channel. So starting at the top, you have this banner for channel art, and this is prime space, guys. Use it. Advertise what your channel is about, and also have a schedule. Like for example,
I'm saying that I'll have new videos every week.
I never used to do this, but from doing my research on other people's videos, I learned that scheduling is quite important. So this will motivate people to subscribe to your channel as they know that you will have new videos every week. If you go through all your videos, you can add sections. Label them accordingly, what they're about. For example, I have my travel videos, my tutorials, and my vegan recipes. It's quite easy to do this, so if you scroll down to your channel, there's an add section button. You just click that, and then you can either select single list or playlist. Tip number 5, market your channel. So I'm sure, just like me, most of you had Facebook and Instagram before even creating a YouTube page. So why not share that you've started a channel, or share your weekly videos on there? A great way to gain subscribers by informing people of your channel and of all of the great stuff that you do. You know, some people might think it's spam, but hey, whatever, if they don't want to support you, so someone else will. And for example, I was sharing my vegan recipes on a vegan forum, and they have recently removed me because they don't like people marketing themselves. But hey, there's tons of other forums out there, so don't let that hold you back. There's lots of opportunities out there. You don't need fancy equipment to be a YouTuber. You know, all I have is a GoPro and I don't have lighting equipment, etc. I use the natural light like I am doing today. It is just a gorgeous day today. So don't let those things hold you back. Anything is possible. So make do with what you have, and I promise you it will be sufficient. Thanks for watching. I hope my tips really help you out. And if they do, please let me know down in the comments. And as always, keep smiling, hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. You know, there's lots of opportunities out there. So don't